Demonstrations calling for Sudanese President Omar al-Bashir to resign have entered a third week. The head of Thailand's immigration police says a young Saudi woman will not be sent back to Saudi Arabia. The woman was stopped in Thailand as she attempted to seek asylum in Australia. Officials in Gabon say 4 of the 5 military officers who attempted to overthrow the government Monday have been arrested. And Cambodia marks 40 years since the fall of the Khmer Rouge government. Thousands of people filled the streets of Phnom Penh to take part in celebrations.